Let's talk about caregiving. So, as a caregiver, this is just one of the many things I do to make sure na si nanay at tatay has the right medication o matumar nila at the right time o kanang di sila makalimot og tumar or never misses a dose. Sa inyo nakita in this clip, I'm cutting one of the pills in half. I actually have a pill cutter, kana yung specific para sa medication, but I prefer using kanang knife, X-Acto knife ang name na because it gives me more control, especially for smaller tablets. No? It's a small task, makita ninyo mura ra siya gamay, but it's part of the bigger picture. Being present, being careful, and making sure they get exactly what they need. That's it. Adios. Bye mga kahagard.